This video will show how to use GPXs with OsmAnd Maps and Navigation. These include GPXs created by you or by somebody else. I'll be using the Android version of OsmAnd, version 4.1. Here's a GPX created by somebody else. It's a Northern California motorcycle route. I've downloaded it to my PC. I can send it to my phone by USB cable or Google Drive. Here I've simply emailed it to myself. You can import it to OsmAnd from here. Here I am at the beginning of the route. I press the Directions button, and then Options, and follow Track. This will take me exactly where the GPX specifies, which in some cases may be just what you want. But what it won't do is provide turn-by-turn directions. Instead, it will suggest a turn at every turn of the road, which is not usually useful. That's because the GPX is not connected with the underlying map. To do that, select Attach to the Roads, which, as the next screen explains, snaps your GPX to the nearest road. That is, to the nearest road that is allowed by one of your navigation profiles. Now we have conventional turn-by-turn navigation. This technique can be done when you start to navigate. Or with the Plan Route feature, you can create a GPX ahead of time. Here's a bicycle route GPX I created online. With the Plan Route function, I open it as an existing GPX. Attach it to the underlying map as we did before. And then save it as a new track. When it comes time to navigate, this new track will provide turn-by-turn directions without further processing. And finally, if you'd like a more customized version of the route, you can use the Plan Route feature to trace over the GPX. Here, I'm duplicating the route, except for one place. I save it as a new GPX. And navigate with it. The new route reflects my modification. And again, gives true turn-by-turn directions.